Alright, assalamualaikum everyone, and this is Bonk update, latest one. New week opened up Monday today, and if you are sleeping, if you're lazy, crypto isn't sleeping. So wake the hell up, right? This is about to be trouble, or it's going to be an amazing trade. Now, whatever this is, I do want to comment that on the 1 hour time frame, I noticed a very small divergence here. So you can see that prices were shooting up, and then you had a small divergence to the downside, and all of a sudden you try to trickle down, and at the moment you are still above here for the retest. Okay, remember from yesterday's video that Bonk broke to the upside, and I told you that I am not personally on the favor of trading Bonk at the moment due to the market condition. Now, however, let's go with the logic. Okay, break above, you trade when the break happened in whatever direction that break is going to be. And the fact is, Bonk broke to the upside, at least as far as I'm concerned, because you have this upper resistance here, and you ended up really breaking above. If we zoom in there, this is still a break to the upside. However, you're coming down for the retest, and if you fail, then that's pretty much a fake out, isn't it? When you break to the upside, you go for the retest, you go down, that pretty much means that this was your fake out. Now, I'm going to be very careful because of Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin still is looking for $36,000. That's the only reason why I'm not trading Bonk. Right, it's due to Bitcoin. Actually, not just Bonk, but any other coin. Matic is looking to go to the downside. I told you in some videos before, always look at Matic. When Matic is looking bad, understand that altcoins may be bad most of the time. So you can see, as far as I'm concerned, you do have an opportunity with Matic probably to go down if you cannot trade Bonk. I mean, trade the other direction, because at least for me, this is pretty much a breakdown, right? When you previously had your support here with Matic, you broke to the downside, you've gone up, and you've actually made a double retest. You got rejected once here, second time there, and third time right over there, right? And from here, you may actually be looking for a drop down to 0.536. Every single thing is just looking to go down. And let's look at Bitcoin as well. If you look at Bitcoin, very similar situation as Matic. Support, broke to the downside, went up for the retest, and you are still under what was your previous support. So I don't know what are the odds of Bonk to really retest this one and pump up. It can actually happen. I'm not really saying it's not going to happen, but if you're willing to trade this one, I think your stop loss is going to be down at nearly maybe 1024, or the best stop loss is going to be 963. If you make it all the way down to 963, that's it, that's the end of it. If you come down here, that's a 16% move down, and I'm not going to be trading with the risk of 16%, so be careful. And that's it for this video. Before I close it, I think that if you end up having a very successful time with Bonk, then the first target is going to be a 36% push up, right? So trade on your own risk, right? This is just an educational video, but trade on your own risk if you want to. I may be totally wrong. I'm not saying that it's not going to pump. Well, on a logical side of it, it should pump, but I'm just worried about the other situation that may cause this thing to actually drop down. And I'm going to see you the next one. I love you.